Festival ay makikita ang mga pinakamagagaling na lahi ng panabong at ang pinakabagong teknolohiya pagdating sa sabong. With your help and more events such as this, our country has the potential to become the game fowl hub of the world.
Starting today until Sunday, we will rock this place! Sabo must pave the way for a multi-million industry or perhaps even more. Game fowl breeders have created demand for feeds, vitamins, and other supplies and services for fighting cats. The very first beauty pageant for the game fowl industry. Ilang puto, isang festival to provide as a platform for local and international industry players to showcase their products and services. Ito rin po ay fundraising event for the Yolanda victims. I am one with you in your quest to retain our country's reputation as the center of game fowl breeding in the world.